Is your Mazda 3's infotainment screen frozen or acting up? A simple reboot is often the first and easiest solution. For models 2019 and newer, just press and hold the power volume button on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This is like restarting your phone. It doesn't erase your data and usually takes only a minute or two. If you have an older model, consult your owner's manual for the specific button combination. Rebooting resolves minor glitches, unresponsive touchscreens, and lag issues in most cases, getting you back on the road quickly. According to recent user reports, a reboot has a 75% success rate in fixing common problems. If a reboot doesn't solve the problem, a factory reset or hard reset might be necessary. This will erase all your personal settings, paired devices, and navigation history, returning the system to its original factory state. For 2020 and newer models, access the reset option through Settings, System, Reset Options. For older models, the process might involve a specific button sequence, so refer to your owner's manual. Only use Factory Reset if the reboot didn't work and as a last resort. A factory reset is effective for persistent issues caused by corrupted software or conflicting settings. As of 2025, Mazda emphasizes that resets are safe and don't void your warranty. But always back up important data before proceeding. If problems persist after a factory reset, it's time to contact your local Mazda dealer.